Hi, I'm Susan Baier. I run a small research agency called Audience Audit, and I want to talk to you about my experience with Stephen and Drew's sales funnel workshop. I have to tell you as a disclaimer, I've been a marketer for a very long time and have nevertheless, I'm ashamed to say, been really terrible at my own content. I've started things and stopped them. It's been very scattershot, and I had trouble sort of finding the central theme for the content that I wanted to provide. So I attended this workshop at the end of January 2020. It is now December 2020. We've gone through the pandemic, and I have completed 42 weekly video episodes for my core content. Which is remarkable to me because I don't like being on video. But I've been doing it for 42 weeks straight, and Audience Audit has had the best year ever, attributed in no small part to the contacts and visibility that I've gained from the program I set up in this workshop. And there were four things I really think broke through the wall for me with respect to this program. The first is the structure. It just makes a lot of sense in terms of how Stephen and Drew talk about building a core content program and then atomizing that content. The tools that they use were very helpful and were used in the workshop to really help me get most of the idea work behind this done. In fact, I'm still working with the original list of content topics for my video series that I established way back in February. The community that was there was great. All smart marketers, agency folks, and it was really nice to sort of talk about ideas back and forth and sort of gain things from what other people were thinking that I could use for my own content program. And accountability. If you know Drew, you know that he's going to follow up and see how you're doing. And he certainly did that with me. Luckily, I got on with the program so that he didn't have to scold me. But it was great knowing that that group, the people that I sat with in the workshop, as well as Stephen and Drew, were there to help me, support me, and encourage me throughout. So if you're considering this program, I would absolutely recommend it. It's been a huge driver for my business this year, and I'm grateful to have attended.